So now we're going to talk about handling refunds and returns. You've made a few sales, or you're thinking about what to do after you've made a few sales, right? What if the customer doesn't have the satisfaction that you expect them to have? What do you do when you run into these problems? So if a product is defective or the product is damaged, ask your supplier to then send out a product to your customer completely free of charge, and then tell the customer to keep that faulty item for themselves and provide pictures and proof from the customer to you, which is super important, so you know that the product is actually defective or damaged, and then you can send these to your supplier so you get a free replacement to them. Super important. They need to provide proof of a damaged item. Now, I would recommend make sure to always use some kind of tracked method of shipping. This is the same with eBay. I used to sell a lot on eBay and I'd make some losses because people would say they've not received it, and then you can't prove that they've actually received it, and eBay would make you refund them. It's the same with dropshipping in any kind of brand you create, right? The customer is always right. So because of that, you always want to pay for tracked shipping, even if it's greater in cost, because it prevents the number of returns. This also gives you proof that it's arrived at the destination, because the customer then has to actually sign for the package. The logistics company then update their system to show you that it's been received. So anyone who's dishonest about not receiving the item can't subvert this. Now, if the product is a return and it's totally fine, you can then ask them just to ship it back to your personal address and pay for the shipping fees, and then you can refund the cost of the item itself minus the shipping. You can then use this returned item for product photos. Maybe you can take some higher quality product pictures. You could sample the product and send it out for promo videos, or to ship it to another customer and then just reuse it. Refunds are issued manually via the Shopify dashboard in the orders section. Okay, so that's how you can actually do shipment refunds and returns.